James Paulo, Janeline, parang kahapon lang, nandito rin kayo para sa inyong pangungumpisal. Sa wakas, dumating din ang araw na inyong pinakahihintay.
In your arms is where I found my home. That place that only we know. Just say the word and wherever I will go. Up the mountain range and through the snow. I promise to love you till the end of time. Heart, soul, and body intertwined. You and I, love divine. You and in your warmth is where my heart takes flight. I'll stay forever by your side. Hand in hand, we'll keep chasing the light. A love stronger than the darkest night. I promise to love you till the end of time. Heart, soul, and body intertwined. You and I, love divine. You and I, divine.
Ay, may lalabas. Okay, sige. Game. Hi, Jen. 11 years have passed, and ever since I met you, I still question myself. What did I do right to deserve you?
I often ask God, do I really deserve this amazing woman?
Naalala ko pa nung unang beses kitang makita. Magkatabi yung classroom natin, tapos wala kaming prof. Kaya nanood muna kami sa room nyo, since parang meron kayong role play or recitation. Ikaw yung unang napansin ko nun. Siguro dahil sa mapula mong labi, tapos yung bag mong pula na may white polka dots. At syempre yung mga mata mong nakakaakit na parang halatang puyat sa kakaaral. Gusto kitang makilala nun, kaya sinulatan kita. Nilagay ko yung number ko doon sa letter. Naiya kasi yung kunin eh. Pero after ilang days, walang nag-text, siguro hindi mo nabasa or hindi ka interesado. Fast forward, friends pala tayo sa Facebook na until now, hindi pa din natin alam paano nangyari. Hindi natin alam sino nag-add or nag-accept. Ewan ko, siguro ako na lang yung nag-add. Hindi ko lang maalala. To make the story short, niligawan kita ng 7 months at naging tayo. Pinaghirapan kita ng sobra. Kaso lang, mukhang pinagtagpo tayo sa maling oras. Nung naging tayo kasi, I was drowning. I was a total mess. Not because of you, but because of my childhood traumas. I came from a broken family. And nung time na nasa college ako, I was alone. Halos kakaalis ko lang sa bahay namin. I was full of insecurities, seloso, at mainitin yung ulo. May times na sobrang saya nating dalawa, at may times na sobra tayong mag-away. Simpleng bagay, pinag-aawayan. Idagdag mo pa na parehas pa tayong 18 years old noon at wala pa tayong idea sa mga pinagagagawa natin. Kaya sobrang bilib ako sa'yo kasi pinagtiyagaan mo ako.
Sobrang strong mo. Sobrang saya ko kasi nagstay ka sa lahat ng kamalian sa pagkatao ko at mga kamali ang nagawa ko. Ikaw yung nag-heal sa akin, nag-build sa kung ano ako ngayon. Sobrang thank you.
At pinapangako ko, nasusuklian ko lahat ng pagtitiyaga mo sa akin. At hindi na ako ulit aalis sa bahay kapag pinalayas mo ako. Kahit anong mangyari, mamahalin kita ng buong buo hanggang sa huling hininga ko. At kahit magkaanak na tayo, hindi ko kakalimutan mga responsibilidad ko sa'yo. Thank you and I love you, Jen.
Mahal na mahal kita.
James, finding our way here wasn't always easy. But thank you for being the person who understood me when no one else did. Thank you for keeping my trust when everyone else broke it. Thank you for making me laugh when no one else could make me smile. Thank you for holding me while I cried when everyone else turned away. Thank you for everything you've taught me. Thank you for helping me achieve my goals. Thank you for always making me your priority. I feel so blessed because you have all the qualities I have ever wanted in a man. You truly know me, every single part of me. You plan our dates and you always know when I'm about to get hungry. You always know when I need comfort, when I need encouragement, and when I just need someone to simply be with. You always pay attention to the little things that matter, making me feel loved in ways both big and small.
I know your heart carries the weight of a past that lacked the warmth of the complete family. But today, I vow to you that we will build a home filled with love. A home where you will never feel alone, where our love will be our safe place.
And where our future children will grow up knowing what it means to be deeply loved. Now, you will never have to go through life alone. Pangako, hindi ka na mag-isa. If before you face mountains on your own, starting today, you don't need to worry. My love will conquer them today. I will always be by your side every step of the way. I promise to love you with everything I am, to love you as best as I can, for as long as I can. I will never stop fighting for us. Maswerte akong napunta ako sa taong may malinaw na direksyon at pangarap sa buhay. Marami ng plano lang noon ang natupad na ngayon. Alam kong marami ka pang pangarap at sa bawat pangarap na yun, pangako, sabay nating tutupad. I love you. Jen. Thank you.
And ito, hindi naman tayo mga perfect. Tingin ka na lang dito, kunyari sa James, then sorry ka lang kung meron mga, parang, hindi naman tayo perfect. Meron tayong mga, minsan, pagkakamali. Sorry ka lang, then after that, thank you ka naman sa kanya. Okay?
So, I want to say sorry kung may mga kasalanan ako nagawa sa'yo. So, yun. Yung minsan, di maayos yung attitude ko.
Jen, sa lahat ng mga nagawa kong mali, alam mo na yan. Sorry. Wala kang kasalanan doon. Kasalanan ko yun. Lahat kasalanan ko yun. Sorry. Yun. Alam ko, napatawad mo na ako. Pero, syempre, naaalala mo pa din yun. Alam ko, syempre, minsan naaalala mo. Pero, yun lang. Gusto ko lang mag-sorry. Hindi mo kasalanan lahat yun. Sa akin lang yun. Yun lang. Tsaka thank you sa pagtsatsaga sa akin. Yun lang. Sabi ko na eh. Ngayon lang ako umiyak ah. Okay lang ba? Dami kasi akong kasalanan eh. Cut mo yun ha. Yun lang. Hindi ko in-expect yun ah. Yun lang. Thank you Jen. Thank you sa lahat ng pagtsatsaga mo, sa pagmamasahe mo sa akin gabi-gabi. Salamat sa lahat ng nagawa mo para sa akin. Kung ano ako ngayon dahil sa'yo. Kung hindi kita nakilala, hindi ako ganito, hindi ako. Kung ano man meron tayo, wala. Kung hindi kita nakilala. Tsaka, lagi mong tatandaan, Jen, sa lahat ng problemang dumating, ikaw lagi yung solusyon ko. Yun lang. Thank you. Ay. Trial lang. Wala.
So, thank you for everything. Actually, yung pagbuo nitong kasal is sobrang madali for me. Kasi, almost siya lahat. So, ayun, hindi niya ako pinahirapan. Napapansin ko na lahat ng mga stressful na bagay during the wedding preparation, talagang sinasalo niya. Yun, siya lahat. Sinalo niya lahat ng stress ng kasal, which is na-appreciate ko naman yun. So, thank you.
Ngayon ang araw na aking pinakahihintay. Ngayong nandito ka, hindi sasablay. Itong pinapangarap ko, ngayon ay magkakataon.